Hi everyone, want flirty or fun convos without revealing your identity? Today I'll show you how to chat anonymously and safely on SpicyChat. Let's get started. First, you can use a spicy chat without signing up. Just head to spicychat.ai and choose a character and start chatting. No name or email needed. Then here, click the settings icon and turn on the safe mode or filter out the NSFW content if you want a more wholesome experience. It's your chat, your rules. Then here you can avoid real sharing your real names, phone numbers, or personal information on your convos. Treat Spicy Chat like a role play space, not a dating app. Then, if you want to delete your chat, you can just hit the clear chat and reset button. No data is stored unless you can create an account, and even then, it's minimal. And that's it. That's how you can chat anonymously and safely on Spicy Chat. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more anonymous AI apps tips. Thanks for watching!